guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting you. Welcome back to another episode of Does It Really Work. So I am going to be trying in this video the banana hair mask. I have heard that this will smoothen out your hair. This will provide the kind of nourishment that your hair really wants. My hair is kind of dry, rough, frizzy hairstyle. Stay tuned till then because I'm going to be telling you if this banana mask can really smoothen out my hair, or it can really have that power to nourish my frizzy hair. Stay tuned till then because I'm going to be telling you if this banana mask will work for your frizzy, dry, rough hair or not. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Here I am taking one medium sized banana, chopping it into small pieces, mashing it using a mixture grinder. You can see the consistency, neither too thick nor too runny. Now I am going to be mixing few oils in it to get extra benefit from this hair mask. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, half teaspoon of castor oil. Mix it properly. Then I am going to be adding 7 to 8 drops of the rosemary essential oil. This is completely optional. You can use whatever ingredient is available to you. Mix all of this properly. It's very important to also detangle your hair prior of applying any sort of hair mask. I have already made a video on that. You can definitely check out that to save your hair from losing any hair throughout the application process. I have also made a video on how to apply a hair mask properly on your hair to get the extra result from the hair mask. You can definitely check out that too. Both of the links of these videos will be in the description box below. What I am wearing in my head, well, that is my cotton t-shirt which I don't wear anymore. If you want to save your hair from the further damage, then please wear a cotton t-shirt, wrap just like that in your wet head after your shampooing. Banana is very rich in silica and potassium. It helps hair to eliminate frizz and dryness. It also helps to relieve dandruff symptoms as well. Now, coconut oil deeply moisturizes our hair. Almond oil is very lightweight and rich in vitamin E, which can deeply penetrate into the scalp, reducing hair fall, making your hair thicker and stronger. Castor oil promotes hair growth. Rosemary essential oil reduces hair fall and gives your hair a kind of shiny and glowing look. I haven't done anything extra. I have just applied the mask. After that, I kept it for 1.5 hours. And then I just shampoo and condition it just as regularly I do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, my hair has been completely dried up. I haven't used any tool to dry up my hair. It has been dried up naturally by air. But my hair feels a little bit softer than what it was. So I can definitely tell you कि अगर आप इसको regularly इस्तेमाल करोगे, like हफ्ते में 1 बार या 2 बार as per your convenience, then you will definitely get results. It was my first usage of banana mask, so I can't tell you that कि मतलब ऐसा था और बिल्कुल स्मूथ सा हो गया, बिल्कुल एडिटेड पिक्चर की तरह नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. दैट्स जस्ट एडिटेड पिक्चर्स गाइस, डोंट फॉल फॉर दैट. हाँ, इससे कुछ स्मेल नहीं होता. लेकिन वन बैड पॉइंट अबाउट दिस होल मास्क इज दैट आई नोटिस्ड फ्यू ड्राइड अप banana flakes all over my hair which looks exactly like dandruff. And smoothness के बारे में, it will definitely smoothen out your hair if you use it regularly. So my final verdict is you can definitely try this mask out, and also try it at least twice a week so that you can have the better result if your hair is super dry and frizzy. So yeah, this was this video guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this mask or not, or if you want to try it or not. If you have liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it among your friends. Comment down below if you have tried any other mask or this particular mask and your experience down there. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely write back to you. And also subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos, and I'm gonna be meeting you in my next video. Tab tak ke liye stay safe and stay healthy, and bye.